Batisi TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155.
Ka United Democratic Party hakalai trek rumpang arjal pulai. Kala pen merampat ba yang kekerteng jong Zindaward and Sangma ban Pynïakhun na Phulbari Constituency hak elections ke yang dorba thawan yang jela kaban salong hak arpenyo trek rumpang arjal pulai. Ya kekerteng jong Zindaward and Sangma lapen benado Vice President jong UDP ba alantri of Dakar hak jingalang bagi lapat hai kubor hak opestrekam jong parti hanong baslo.
Filing of nomination glass tangya, but ni happen instead ini proses pen announce way candidate nang thie na po Garo Hills kata ada na po 46 Phulbari West Garo Hills, but keteng jong candidate today Zindaward and Sangma. He is a graduate in business management. He had contested unsuccessfully as an independent candidate in the year 2018, and by profession he is into business, being a business management graduate. So we're lucky to have another well-qualified candidate within our fold, and we hope to see him raise the UDP flag in Phulbari on the 2nd, which further convinces us that UDP is making a headway this elections. But as of now, I know that North Tura and South Tura and Rongjeng are really heating up. Apart from that, we have Rajabala, then we have Mendipatha, then we have this constituency in North Garo Hills only, Resubelpara. And of course the others are inching their way, because there was a late announcement for the 5 candidates from West Garo Hills and 1 from South Garo Hills. So by the time I come back from Garo Hills, I'll be able to give you a briefing on the party position there.